Here in Australia, bench trials are what is known as a judge-only trial. Now, keep in mind, if your matter is being dealt with by the magistracy in the local court, there's no jury anyway. It is essentially a bench trial. You have a tribunal of fact and a tribunal of law encapsulated in the same person, being the magistrate. But cases that are being dealt with in the district court on indictment, there is a tribunal of fact, being the jury, and the tribunal of law, being the judge. That's why the judge makes determinations on questions of law and the jury makes determinations on questions of fact, i.e. is the person guilty or not guilty, bringing to life their own experience. So the question becomes, can you request a judge-only trial? Absolutely. Sometimes it makes sense to have a judge-only trial because of the complexity of a matter or because there's a lot of publicity around a matter which would make it impossible for us to get an impartial jury, or for a number of reasons, including perhaps there's other cases that need to be dealt with at the same time. There's a lot of reasons to go for a judge-only trial. And often an application will be made by one party to seek a judge-only trial. Now, one of the interesting things about judge-only trials is, as a general rule, that right lays only with the accused. It's the accused who can ask for a judge-only trial and waive their right to a jury trial, not for the prosecution to request that. Although this is not completely hard and fast, but as a general proposition, the right of the accused to seek a judge-only trial, not to be forced to have one. So, long story short, yes, bench trials in Australia, absolutely a thing. Follow me for more legal TikTok.